Hello. Today I am with you with a great and secret strategy. I expect you will gain a lot by watching the video and teaching this treasure. Few people know about this strategy. Congratulations, you are one of those people. Learn and practice this strategy. I am sure you will improve a lot. This is my personal strategy and I use it daily and it is very profitable and I got a lot of back tests from it and it is proven. Well, let's not waste time, let's get to the strategy. Our strategy is built by combining two indicators, half process, RSI. We add these indicators to the chart from the indicator section. And we change some things from the settings section. Now we go to the chart. This strategy is responsive in most situations and market conditions and has a very high win rate. I promise you will be surprised at the end of the video and apply this strategy immediately. For buy positions, the half trend line should be blue and the RSI should be 10 or less. In these cases, we take a long position. For short positions, the half trend line should be red. And RSI is 90 or higher. In these cases, we take a short position. In this position there is a blue line and the RSI is 10 or less, so we are looking for a long position. We enter a long position with the confirmation of the candle. There is a red line in this area and the RSI is 90 or higher. We look for the short position and take the short position in the right position. In the following, for your better learning, I will open trades according to the video procedure so that you can get to know this strategy more. I hope you liked and were satisfied with this strategy. Hoping for good deals and profit.